viewers, a warm welcome to everyone to Udita's classroom. This channel is all about you. Today I am here for discussing the method by using which you can apply those type of jobs which is to be published by the Oil India Limited Company. And this Oil India Limited Company is one of the most largest in Asian country to reproduct and to export the oil business. So guys, in this video I am going to share with you how to apply this job and who can apply, who are applicable for this job, what is the actual salary structure, and as well as the age limitation with age relaxation. So guys, I am going to discuss in details all the information that can help you and to apply for this job. So guys, keep watching this video till the end, and if you seeing my videos first time, then please subscribe the channel and click the bell icon just besides the subscribe box, and after clicking the bell icon you have to click the all, okay, as because when I will put any type of videos related about engineering tutorial and also the tips and tricks related exam and obviously also the job notification which is recently published, then you will notified. So guys, if you like my videos, then subscribe my channel, support my channel, and as well as like, share and comment in the comment section below if you have any queries. So let's get started. So Oil India Limited, it is the public sector company that has recently published the notification for those candidates who have the Btech degree as well as the graduation in their discipline. And this 2019 recruitment process which I am going to discuss with you, that first of all we have to note down that the Oil India recruitment for senior officer, and the job role should be the senior officer, where the PG, BE, BTech and also ME and MTech are invited to apply this job. Freshers are always welcome to apply this job, and here one good news is that here the application is total free, and now the total vacancies all over India, that is 48, and the salary structure is starting salary is 60,000 per month, and that will be up to 1,80,000 per month. Now come to the last date for application is started, application 28th September 2019. Now if we pointing out the education qualification who can apply for this job, so first of all I want to share with you that there is the some category is divided here according to the discipline. So first of all, senior officer of geology department, so where the PG postgraduate and also the applied postgraduate in geology department can apply for this job, and with some minimum 2 years duration and with minimum 60% marks in valid mark sheet and having mathematics at graduate level. And when geophysics department candidate also apply for this senior officer post, and where also post graduation in geophysics and also the applied geophysics and exploration in geophysics of minimum 2 years of duration with minimum 60% marks in their final exam, they can also apply. Now come with the reservoir senior officer post, where the Btech degree, bachelor degree in petroleum engineering with 4 years duration with 65% minimum marks must apply for this job, and also the master's degree in petroleum engineering also welcome with this job, and where the technology of minimum 2 years duration with minimum 60% marks having the engineering at graduate level, they can also apply. Now come with the drilling senior officer, where the mechanical engineering of 4 years duration Btech degree candidate can apply. But here one thing is that this candidate must have 65% marks, and where the automation, automobile, industrial, power manufacturing, production, mechatronics, mining and marine engineering, these trade of mechanical engineering, these branches of mechanical engineering should be excluding from this job. Now senior officer production group, where the bachelor degree in mechanical engineering of minimum 4 years duration with 65% marks, and here also excluding the automation, automobile, industrial, power manufacturing, production, mechatronics, mining and marine engineering candidates can apply for this job, and also the master degree in petroleum engineering technology of minimum 2 years of duration, and also the 65% marks, minimum 60% marks, those candidates who have, they can apply for this post. Now if we see here that the post wise vacancy, we can see that all over India posting must happen, and there the senior officer in geology there are 30 posts, senior officer geophysics 8 posts, reservoir senior officer where 6 posts, and the drilling senior officer where 8 posts, and the production senior officer where 13 posts have been published here. And if we pointing out the how to select these candidates, so first of all we have to know that their first the written test will be happened, and there is the selection pattern where the weightage 85% within total mark 100 written test will be organized, and those candidates who can pass their written test with the specific aggregate, they also invited for the next step, and which will conducted with the group discussion GD and personal interview PI, and also the group task GT. And here some selection pattern where the phase selection process, total marks and the qualifying marks is introduced here, discussed here. I will give the screenshot of each and every information that I will discuss with you. And now the main point is that who can apply, that age limit, if we pointing out here as 28th September 2019, the senior officer geology where the UR is 29, OBC 32, SC 34, senior officer geophysics UR 29, SC ST 34, senior officer reservoir or production in both cases UR 27 and 29, OBC 30 and 32, and the ST 32 34, and also senior officer drilling UR 27 and OBC 30. These age limit with some age relaxation is also mentioned here, that the candidates who domiciled in the state of Jammu Kashmir, they must have 5 years age relaxation, and also in case of candidates belonging the person with benchmark disability, that means PWBD, age relaxation will be PWBD UR 10 years, for PWBD OBC 13 years, and also PWBD SC ST 15 years age relaxation is mentioned here, and age relaxation also for the ex-serviceman will be 5 years. Now one of the main points that how to apply. So guys, first of all you have to know that this application is totally online process, and where application is free for all type of candidates, and candidates should have valid email ID, and also the registration number, password and all the important communication link, and detailed instruction for filling online application are available on the instruction page. I will mention how to apply this link in my description box. Just click and check that link. Candidates should take utmost care to furnish the correct details where filling in the online application, where candidate can edit the information before final submission of step 1 and also step 2, and candidates are not required to submit to all either by post or by hand. So total application is going to be online, and the sign up phase 1 and phase 2 I will mention in this screenshot. Just follow this, and the application is started from 8th September 2019, and which will be ending up to 28th September 2019 11:59, that means 11:59 PM. I will also mention for downloading the PDF link in my description box. Just check the link and download the PDF, and you have to read the total notification in details, so that will clear to you for applying this job. So guys, I think this video will helpful to you, each and everybody, those candidates who are eagerly awaiting for this type of jobs. Hope you like this video, and please subscribe my channel, as because I am trying to represent here some private or government or non-government job notification as soon as possible. If you like my videos, then like, share and subscribe my channel. Share through your networking site, so that this video reach to that type of candidates who are eagerly awaiting for this job. Subscribe my channel and keep supporting this channel. Thanks for watching. Take care. Goodbye.